The night was heavy with fate. A blade had been sharpened, a betrayal set in motion, and the air in Kufa carried the weight of tragedy. The 19th of Ramadan was not just a night of worship. It was the night when the voice of justice, Imam Ali ibn Abi Talib alayhi salam, was struck down in sujood. But was this the act of a lone Kharijite, or was it part of a greater political conspiracy? History often tells us that Abdurrahman ibn Muljim acted out of personal vengeance, seeking revenge for the deaths of the Kharijites and Nahrawan, or he was fulfilling a promise to Quttam, a woman whose family perished in that battle. But do these narratives withstand scrutiny? If revenge was the sole motive, why did Ibn Muljim remain undetected in Kufa, Imam Ali's own city, without fear of recognition? And why did he align himself with high-ranking Kufan elites like Muhammad ibn Ashas, a known ally of Muawiya? Muawiya, the governor of Syria, had long sought to dismantle Imam Ali's rule. Historical sources reveal how he deployed agents to Kufa, bribing and manipulating key figures. Muhammad ibn Ashas, the son of a notorious traitor, played a pivotal role in the scheme. So why would a supposed Kharijite, whose sect opposed both Imam Ali and Muawiya, collaborate with those loyal to Muawiya? Sharai Nahj al-Balagha details Muawiya's systematic efforts to eliminate Imam Ali, offering vast sums to hide assassins. Al-Ghadir and other Shia sources document how Ibn Muljim received protection and support from Muhammad ibn Ashas, his connections to Muawiya undeniable. The romanticized tale of Quttam was nothing but a smokescreen designed to mask the deeper political plot that orchestrated this murder. Imam Ali himself foresaw his fate. On the eve of his martyrdom, he gazed at the sky and declared,
"By Allah, this is the night I was promised."
He embraced his children with a lingering sorrow, knowing the hour had come. Yet, with his devotion to duty, he walked to Masjid Kufa, fully aware that treachery awaited him. His assassination was not a crime of passion, but a deliberate strike at the very soul of Islam. Uncovering this truth is not merely an academic exercise, it is an act of justice. False narratives have long been crafted to disguise political crimes, but the legacy of Imam Ali remains a beacon of resistance against tyranny. His martyrdom was not an isolated act, it was the culmination of a power struggle engineered by those who feared his stand for justice and truth.